Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Blockman Go game. So let's get started right away. Now if you wish to delete your game account on Blockman Go, then simply open up the Blockman Go game first on your device and make sure that you are logged in to this account that you want to delete. So you are logged in, you will be taken into the home page. From here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and you will now see your current account that you are logged in with. Just scroll down and tap on security, and now within the security page you will see the delete account option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will now be shown a warning letting you know that you will have a time of 3 days by which you can still recover your account if you change your mind. So in order to confirm this and delete your account, tap on the delete now button and this will now log you out from your account on Blockman Go right away. You may be asked to enter your password for authentication. After entering your password and proceeding forward, and after you have been logged out from your account, make sure not to log back in for another 3 days if you wish to permanently delete your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on the Blockman Go game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.